Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're just doing a bunch of candles. It is what it is on the tin. Let's go ahead and delete this default cube right here. We'll add, and you can literally use a cylinder for this. Just make sure it's shaded smooth, and just elongate this. And we're going to press G. You can go Shift D, scale this down to make the wick. Let's go G, bring this up. Scale it across. Let's go scale down. Place this just in the middle. And what we can do with this candle body right here, we can do edit. And say this candle's been burning for a while, we can do E for extrude. Scale it inwards. E for extrude, and then we can scale it inwards again. And then E for extrude, and then just bring this down. We could also go ahead and let's go Control R. Make a little ridge here, Control R again. We could add a little bit of wax in there as well. So let's go with that Control R we've got right there, and then we can go Object Mode, Add, Circle. Let's press G, bring this up, scale it in. And then we can go ahead and press F on the Edit Mode. Let's press G, bring all this up. So what we can do right here is we could have melted wax. So this right here, we can go on world. You're going to want to go metallic. Take your roughness down. So you've got something like this. For your candle itself, we can go right click shade smooth. And we can also sculpt mode a few things in here so we can add some imperfections. Let's add some blobs. Maybe it melted on one side. So you can kind of make this a little uneven. Just going through. Just kind of. Just going to turn the strength up a little bit and the radius up. So maybe we could have some little points where the candle's not perfectly straight. Let's go with the minus just for a moment. And then I'm going to go with the plus, just in certain areas as well, just to kind of pull some of these details in. So, if we go back to object mode, that's candle in a nutshell. We could go ahead and just add, say, little tones to this. We could add the wick. It's like a nice little brown kind of wick. Maybe it's already been lit. And then you've got your melted wax on top. Now we can go add. Let's go plane. Scale this out. You can go ahead and duplicate these candles so you can make them shorter if you want to. Kind of squish them in. Or you can go ahead and make these a little bit longer. Totally up to you what you want. And then we can change the colour by just denying this one plus. And then we can change those to different colours as well. So those are some little funky candles that you can do if you're interested. Yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.